थागोरि जे इ थांनाय सालखिसा सिगां जे इउनिभार्सिटि आव ननतै कायसे प्रब्लेम माने पुइलानसिम साग्रादि ता नतै अबाहागे ओंखा
ka ang mo sanay ani Monday wo waiwa ingmani do inke waiwa khaipro ang 11:30 waiwa ni rozak timing ani ke ang sociology o poribo means sociology masters khaitongo Tripura University te moreover ani elective subject inke philosophy ingkha inke philosophy subject ni waiwa tongo Monday wo inke timing roza 11 o'clock inke sir phaimani inke kisal lekha inke lermani inke means he came little late omono 11:45 was sogjak sir inke approaching wait khaitongo sir ni cabin ni bairebo inke sir sao 5 minute kisa wait khaigadi apro pore ang phaigana means waiba nagana nini inke jeng 5 minute wait khaitongo inke apro time already 12 ingkha bartaka khata inke te pore waiba chini start ingkha inke one by one thangai bisingo ani dolsong waiba roi tongo inke ani turn fro ang thangka ang second last sosi because chini 5 jon borok si tabo jo elective subject namani inke 2 means 4 jon borai kasha sara inke ang last second last thangka thabe bisingo sir means sawo asokdi ang asoka inke ano sawo means nini signature rogadi means nini name shidi te pore roll number shidi inke ang sir no saka sir ang kasha nini pen de boro khaimago inke ano sawo I nadi inke ang pen nagai ani bomong by roll number shika te pore chini waiba start ingto start waiba start pore means duita question chungu ang moni reply roi tongo inke sa te pore omo sawo ang kisa nono personal question chunga na nini figure belai khe nai thok inke nini nangtam khai nini figure omo maintain khai mani bage inke ang saka sir ang ke fashion model ngu te moreover omo ani hobby tongo ang modeling khayu moreover ang ke content creator through fashion media te pore ano songo nini salade tong de kare inke ang saka sir I don't have my boyfriend right now age tongo tabo kare tabo ngani career focus khai tongo te moreover ani family members ni bage kok sungka sa tong nini family members inke ang saka ani baba kare ani ama tongo ang saichung no te ani siblings kare te pore ano songo nini o dress nungmani chiko dress nungmani belai khenai thok omoni ni fashion belai khenai thok tongo inke te pormora ano songo nini hair color ni bage sungkha nini hair color belai khenai thok masangi tongo nini mukhang bai te moreover nini omo color bai moreover inke ano omo hake sungkho means mane nengtani Indian kurti chung phaijak nini omo style yana inke ang kono reply rolia afro min chireng paikha means lachi singchang khata afro te pore ano songo nini bra ni size busukba nini omo size sung tongo ta figure ni size busukba omhake te pore ang kono reply rolia au time mo inke te pore ano sawu nini omo kisa tona nangu bra ni size do te pore inke ano sawu nini age je chala tongman inke physical intimacy dekhai jak nang ang afro কোনো হালিয়া means লাচি সংসাং খাতা অফ্রবু ইনকে আংতে means sir no কোনো হালি ইনকে sir ano সাবো physical intimacy condom the use খাইজাক তাম condom use খাইজাক তাম flavor use খাইজাক ইনকে আং কোনো হালিয়া দে পরে ইনকে flavor নি বাগে ইনকে ওমো হাইকে সাবো আনো flavor nile black hi taste phayo ta omo haike ang kono reply sale I don't know sir omo haike sai roka te pore ano sawo ni short dress by mini dress by nukna musongo no means omon ang nini photo nu kha nini content belai khe nai thok nini profile belai ke nai thok yang khe kabang chiko dress by nang baire bechu ta yang botani chu ya te moreover ano sawo ekta wo ning bishi horo late khe basawo inke ekta jora tongo na na inke ang saka sir sometimes ang tongo because ani cash ni bage or sometimes I know means web no suffering khayo ta means online hai na tongo ta YouTube na yo mo hai ki Instagram thongo omoni bage tongo inke ano sawo any cash nam ke na ekta jora wo means ano ang free ngo afro call khaili ang kaisa no message na musungo borok no ang koi ni party ni oro ya means na Tripura motha na moreover APP party I don't want any party to be involved here I just want justice people please come and help me I am not going through any party and whoever is trying to play regarding this to the party I said please stop these things I don't want any party to involve in this I just need justice if you are being justice if you want to be with me just please help me out and give me justice. True, normally I'm there with you, not just because of party. And moreover, one thing, the news has been spreading that I'm trying, that my boyfriend is there in APP party. It's not true. I don't have any boyfriend, neither I'm supporting any party, not Tripramatha, nor APP party, nor any sort of party. So I'll say please stop this political issue regarding me and making this issue as a political issue. Thank you.
Some people are saying that you are taking drugs, that's why you fell at university campus. So what will be your message?
Ani message umosi ani age nishimi anxiety attack tongu means age nishimi charai nishimi je be tension means anything problem ngu afro nishimi anxiety ta ngu ang drugs saya ani ora proof butongu doctor ni ang omo bu phunu roga nanono tabo doctor by consult khaima ni ano sawo bishi tension nago omoni bake fending kha te moreover ang je asa ke accused roi tongu omo kre ang moreover te kaisa kok sana omo rape ya ang rape ke saya. Moreover, it's sexually harassment khayu ano te bu kabama bure by omo haino khaisa. Girls, I like to give one message to you all who have seen this message. I just want to say, whoever if this person stays right now in front of you and you're still be hidden behind this, please help me to raise the voice and come out. If it happens with you, it can be happen with anyone. It can be your brother, it can be your sister, anyone. Then what you will do? Are you still going to wait for them to let them rape or do something more drastic? I just want to convey this message. Guys, I'm not going through any parties. I'm just asking for my justice, what the sir has been doing. As a sir, he is a mentor for me. As a mentor, he is accusing me and sexually harassing me. After that, after these questions, he asked me another viva question, means another 2 questions. That time when I was replying, he was continuously staring my upper part, continuously focusing on that and looking at my upper part. After that, I gave my answer. I was feeling very awkward. I came out. I told my friends about it. My friends told me to complain, but I was not knowing any procedure, so I came back. So the more accusation is there. Some people say that why didn't I complain that time? Because I was having no idea. I was going through lots of stress, what to do, what to not do. Then I came to the class that time. After that, I attended the class. I was very confused. I was very numb, what to do, what to not do. My friend helped me through this to make I should raise a voice. It's wrong. It's not right. So I did raise my voice. Lord, guys, I need your help to raise the voice.
Je borok tabuk no rape ungu hini sai tongnai borok nang ta message rna mosung
je borok ano sai tongo mo raping tongo ani oro raping ya but sexual harassing. Sexual harass is also a part of being a rape. He did verbally rape to me. I'm not saying he did physically. I'm saying mentally abused me. Amo rape ya, but sexually assault is also a part of a rape. Not physically, but mentally. Stop this, because it's not a rape case, it's a sexual harassment case. So I'll say don't add the term or accuse me just because the person has sexually harassed me, not raped me. He did not touch me physically, but he has accused me, sexually harassed me through his words, through his thinking, through his ideas. So I will say please stop use the word rape. He had that sexually harassment through his word. If he can harass through his words, then what else he can do? In later future, I would like to give another message. अगर वो मुंह से बोल सकता है तो वो बाद में भी कुछ भी कर सकता है इंसान. अगर जो तुम्हें देख के ही तुम्हारा कैरेक्टर को ऐसा जज कर सकता है तो तुम क्या करोगे फ्यूचर में? कोई भी मेरी जगह पे कोई दूसरी लड़की होती या कोई भी आपका बहन या भाई होता, उसके साथ ये चीज़ें हो रहे थे, क्या आप चुप बैठे रहते? मेरा बस एक सवाल है, क्या आप चुप बैठे रहते? आप क्या उसको सपोर्ट करते? ऐसे प्रोफेसर को आप सपोर्ट कर रहे हो जो मतलब अभी भी पढ़ा रहा है, आपके साथ नहीं किसी और के साथ हो चुका है. काफ़ी लोग हैं, धीरे धीरे मेरे को एनोमस कॉल आ रहे हैं. अभी इतने सारे लोगों का मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं कि दी मेरे साथ ऐसा हो चुका है, वैसा हो चुका है. मेरे पास प्रूफ है, मैं प्रूफ को लीक करूँगी, तब आप बोलिए आप मेरे साथ सपोर्ट करेंगे. मैं एक क्लास में एक और मैसेज दूंगी, मैं किसी पार्टी के साथ में नहीं हूँ. बार बार मैं एक ही चीज़ बोल रही हूँ, मैं किसी पार्टी के साथ में नहीं हूँ, ना APB, ना त्रिपुरा मोथा और ना कोई भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी। मुझे सिर्फ जस्टिस चाहिए। लोग प्लीज़ मेरे को हेल्प करो, मेरा सपोर्ट करो, बस वही चीज़ के लिए बोलूँगी। और प्लीज़ मेरा नाम पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इसमें प्लीज़ मत डालिए कि पॉलिटिकल इशू मत बनाइए इस चीज़ को।
ताबुकसुक जरातै निनी कॉलेज नि निनी यूनिवर्सिटी नि माने आयांग फाइसिंग तिन तामो हेल्प खालायगा यूनिवर्सिटी नि फाइसिंग तिन न
Tabuk jeng mani tabo asal Khe justice tini ang Mia yesterday I got hearing from the court. I went and I gave my witnesses. My mom gave my witnesses. Then after that I came back to the university. There we had a council meeting. They called me. I gave them meeting. Council meetings how ano means tam no khaine na punishment rona musung or forgiveness khaina musung. I saka sir, ma'am, I need strict punishment that church should not teach anymore because professor ni darja tamba tamba professor mane guru, a teacher who can teach a student, a teacher who give knowledge. This type of knowledge do we want? I want to ask, this type of knowledge we are getting from a sir who was trying to harass a student. I'll just request people, like this type of professor should not exist in anywhere. He should not. The degree, the professor degree, it's a huge degree. Who is teaching? Who is trying to harass student? That should, you are accepting that as a teacher? That's what my question. And today I went again to my department, like their teachers, like all the student of philosophy student. I have one question. You're supporting your teacher, do support. I'm not saying don't support your teacher, but I want to ask one question. Without knowing any reason, without knowing my statement, without any legalization, you are accusing me that I am putting a false statement towards your teacher. What will be the reason? मैं क्यों बोलूँगी आपके टीचर को? मेरा क्या ज़रूरत है? मैं एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग करती हूँ। मेरा क्या ज़रूरत होगा मेरे को ये सब बात बोलने का? क्या दिक्कत होगा? मेरा ना टीचर से कोई दुश्मनी है, पढ़ने के लिए आई हूँ यूनिवर्सिटी से, तो मेरा क्या ज़रूरत होगा कि मुझे ये सब करना पड़े? मैं एक लड़की होके मैं अपना को खुद क्यों बदनाम करूँगी? आप ही बोलिए, एक लड़की होके खुद को क्यों बदनाम करेगी? वो टीचर ने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया है, मैं उसी के लिए हक के लिए जवाब मांग रही हूँ। और आप मेरे को ब्लेम कर रहे हो कि मैं झूठा सवाल फैला रही हूँ। मेरे फोटोज को लेके आप मेरे को उल्टा गाली दे रहे हो, शिनाल बोल रहे हो, क्या क्या नहीं बोल रहे हो। ये सही है क्या? एक लड़की के साथ में एक लड़की को छोटे कपड़े पहनती है तो इसका मतलब क्या वो कैरेक्टरलेस हो जाएगी? इस हिसाब से तो सारी जितनी भी लड़के शॉर्ट ड्रेसेस पहनती है, क्या वो कैरेक्टरलेस हो गई? अगर एक लड़की मॉडर्न है, क्या वो कैरेक्टरलेस हो गई? उसका हरकत अगर ऐसे हैं तो क्या कैरेक्टरलेस हो गई? मेरा बस एक ही सवाल है, मेरे साथ जस्टिस सपोर्ट करो। सच के साथ में मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रही। मैं झूठ क्यों बोलूँगी? कोई रीज़न तो होना चाहिए झूठ बोलने का। अगर मेरा कोई दुश्मनी नहीं है सर से, मैं पढ़ने के लिए गई वहाँ पे, सर ने मेरे साथ ऐसे किया, प्रूफ मांग रहे हो ना? प्रूफ है मेरे पास। वाइवा के टाइम पे आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि मैं उस टाइम पे कैमरा जाऊँ। किसी लोगों का मैसेज आया कि वाइवा के टाइम पे कैमरा होना चाहिए। कैसे कैमरा लेके होगा? कैसे मैं रिकॉर्ड करूँ? कैसा विटनेस दूँ मैं आपको? वाइवा के टाइम पे कोई भी एग्जाम हो, उस टाइम पे फ़ोन अलाउड नहीं होता है, तो आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि मैं कहाँ से रिकॉर्ड करूँ? जो मेरे साथ हुआ है वही मैं आपको एक्सप्रेस कर रही हूँ, आप उसी में विश्वास नहीं करो तो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ आप लोग को? अब मेरे साथ हुआ है, आपके साथ भी होगा बाद में, तो आप भी आवाज़ नहीं उठाओगे तो कब उठाओगे आवाज़? बस इतना ही बोलना चाहूँगी, मेरे साथ सपोर्ट करो। मैं किसी पार्टी के साथ में नहीं हूँ। आई जस्ट नीड योर सपोर्ट एंड केयर and love. That's all. Minje message mama ninke sir Bhupesh no suspend khaizat tabo te unkhamaya until the vice chancellor will call him. Until the like case is going on, he won't able to enter the campus.
Koi mas nimba ke rogo suspend khaizaka.
Almost haimia kho, but until the case is going on, he won't able to enter the campus anymore. He won't able to make study. Means teach haimia ta. Oh my god. Suspend letter ang ono no purunga na.